Here we have number one, we are determining if the variables listed below are quantitative or categorical data. Neatly print a Q for quantitative or numerical and C for categorical. Okay, quantitative is just another way for numerical. Okay, all right, so time to take to school. This is a number that you can add, right, together. You can find the average of that. So here you can write quantitative. Your height is again a number that you can add and subtract. So this is quantitative. Number of shoes owned, again, you can add, subtract, right? Find the average, so that's also quantitative. Amount of oil spilled, again, number that you can add or subtract, so this is quantitative. Hair color, red, blue, orange, right? That is categorical. Your age of your Oscar winners, this is something that you can add, subtract, average, right? The average winner, that would be quantitative. Temperature of coffee, here you can add, subtract, multiply, find the average of the temperature, so that's Q. Type of cell phones, right? iPhones, Androids, those are all categorical. Teacher salaries, this here is a number that you can add, you can subtract, so that's going to be quantitative. Jelly bean flavors, right? Vanilla, cherry, chocolate, those are all categorical. Snapchat user's name, right? Each name can't be add or subtract, so that's categorical. That is categorical. Student ID, there's no such thing as finding the average ID number, so that is just categorical. Even though that's a number, it's categorical because you can't add or subtract. So there you go. That is how you determine if things are numerical, which is quantitative, or categorical.